Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Stellar XLM. So before starting this video, I request you to please press the bell icon for new video notification. I will update you every hour of every cryptocurrency good news or bad news. So let's see the live price prediction of Stellar XLM. That is the live price prediction of last 1 hour you are watching now. Oh my god, oh my god, that is buying time, that is buying time, that is buying time. As you can see, the highest change as 0.94% as the highest change of XLM, and the high change is here for 0.400337 is the high change of XLM Stellar cryptocurrency. That is the live price prediction of 24 March 2021 XLM Stellar cryptocurrencies last 1 hour price prediction you are watching now. Kindly please subscribe our YouTube channel for more this kind of latest news and updates of any cryptocurrencies. Stellar XLM are going up trend up. As you can see here, they are going up, and the huge move is now on the Stellar XLM. So that is buying time of XLM cryptocurrencies. Thank you so much for watching this video.